Corona by Rajib Borah. Translated and read by Hasinus Sultan. So you are at my door, Corona. There's no need to open the door, as I know only too well. There remains a hole somewhere for you to enter. It's my pride to have been born a human being. It's your right to shatter my pride. It's for you to decide whether I should live on or die. You've broken the bond of love and the shells of pretension. You move across the earth, up the sky, into the palace and the slums. Are you truly an egalitarian? The unsolved sums haven't come easy to us as yet. We know not yet if ethnicity divides, religion resists an epidemic, and in whose breath a virus becomes a Hindu or a Muslim. You know the body only, and not the cries of hunger and pain. You cannot tell the millions of locked valleys from the aromatic belch of gratification. Come, Corona. I'm not scared at all today. You are an uninvited guest for barely a fortnight. This, my rotten body, all my life through, is mine only.